to look at different jobs equations can do. Equations are not all used in exactly the same way. Some equations show calculations. Some equations are identities. Some equations relate quantities that vary together. Some equations must be solved to answer a problem. Let's start with equations that show calculations. For example, 2 plus 3 times 4 is equal to 2 plus 12, which is equal to 14. This equation string shows the steps in a calculation. The expression 2 plus 3 times 4 is equal to the expression 2 plus 12, which is equal to 14. This is one way equations are used. Now, let's look at identities. An identity is an equation that is true for all values of the variable. For example, x plus y is equal to y plus x. This is always true because addition is commutative. No matter what numbers x and y represent, we can add them in either order. Another example is a times b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. This is the distributive property. It is true for all values of a, b, and c. Some equations relate quantities that vary together. These are often called formulas. For example, y is equal to mx plus b. This equation shows a relationship between x and y. As x changes, y may also change. Another example, A is equal to L times W. This formula relates the area of a rectangle to its length and width. If the length or the width changes, the area changes. Some equations must be solved to solve a problem. For example, suppose we have an equation like 3x is equal to 12. We solve it to find the value of x that makes the equation true. The solution is x equal to 4 because 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So equations can do many different things. They can show a calculation. They can state a property that is always true. They can describe how quantities are related. They can help us solve for an unknown value. This is important because students may think all equations are just arithmetic problems. But equations are much richer than that. As future teachers, we can help students ask, what is the equation doing? Is it showing a calculation? Is it showing a relationship? Is it always true? Is there an unknown value to find? That kind of question helps students make sense of algebra instead of just memorizing procedures. Remember, equations can have many different purposes, and understanding the purpose helps us decide how to work with them.